In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make up to $10,000 per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner, just by using free traffic and without investing any money in paid ads. And as you can see over here in my dashboard, this is my affiliate account dashboard. I made $7,210 in the month of May, from the first day of May until the day 31. And I make every single month over 10K with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic. In today's video, I will share with you guys all my methods. I will share with you which affiliate links you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, how you can find profitable affiliate links that you can use to earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So all you have to do to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So just come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. This is the best affiliate marketing business ever that you can start, because they are really paying good commission from my experience. And all you have to do is just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So what you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, it's super easy. Scroll down, choose your country over here, and choose your language. After you finish, you can put your Skype here. Okay, so first put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. And it's super easy, guys. It's gonna take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard account. Okay, it's super easy. So what you will do next is you need to open Pinterest business account. So go to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. They will ask you if you want to open personal or business account. So make sure to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And Pinterest is really profitable, guys. Okay, so did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? That's really a lot of traffic. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest for free if you do it correctly. 1 billion monthly visitors. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products on Pinterest. Okay? Anyway, after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest, so all you have to do now is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Okay? Click on the search for Pinterest Manager. This is one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest Manager, scroll down, and you need to choose a good seller. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn a commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. Let's choose good seller, of course. So let me see. I think we can. So like this one is really looking good. This one is top rated seller. I will just click on his service and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has 24 orders in queue and a lot of reviews, and people keep coming back. So which people will buy this service? Which people already buying this service? Of course, those people who use Pinterest, people who has Pinterest account. People who want to grow their Pinterest account, they will buy this service, okay? This one. Let me show you. Those people will buy this service. This one, okay? A lot of look how many orders in queue. 24 orders in queue, and people keep coming back. People are buying this service. You just need to know how to promote this service on Pinterest, and you will earn commission. And I will show you how you can do it, okay? So what you will do next, you will just copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. It's super easy. Click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. All you have to do is you need to go back to this seller profile page. Let me see if we can find his service. Okay, so what you will do, let me show you. Go to his picture. Okay, this one, click on his picture. Okay, like this. Double click and save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save. I'm gonna name it Pinterest Manager. Like this. Go back to Pinterest and click over here. Okay, and upload this picture. Okay, Pinterest marketing, open, and here you go. Scroll down, click over here on title, and go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Go to Pinterest again and put this title over here. You need to put description. Go back to this seller profile page. Scroll down until you see this about this gig. This is his description. You can copy this part. I will copy just this part to show you guys. Go to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate link, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and this option is still available in my account. But for you, it's almost the same. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, so this one is almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, scroll down, click on choose a board, and click over here on create a board if you have a new account, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. Scroll down. So you need to put here keywords or tags. Okay, you need to put keywords. So how you can find those keywords? Just go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. Okay, so just keep scrolling down like this and copy those keywords here. You should see related tags. Those are your keywords that you should use. Okay, like this. Pinterest Manager. And after you finish, click on publish. Make sure to put all those keywords, and here you go. You just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest, and you are promoting services related to Pinterest, services that's already working, that people already buying, it's working. the business model is super simple. It's simple, but it's not easy, okay? Because you need to stay consistent. You need to create content for those services that you will promote on Pinterest, and you need to stay consistent, promote a lot of services related to Pinterest, and grow your Pinterest account, and you can start making a lot of money with this Pinterest affiliate marketing business, okay? Because it's working, guys, okay? It's not, we are not promoting services that are not working. It's already working. You see the reviews of the sellers. Look how many reviews this seller has here. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one here. Okay? People who has, which people will buy this service? So of course, only people who has Pinterest account. People who want to grow their Pinterest account, who want to grow their business on Pinterest. Okay? They will give it a try. They will buy this service. And those sellers are providing good services for their customers. Those people will help those people who has Pinterest account to grow their Pinterest account fast and quickly. Okay, those people are top rated seller. They have experience. They know how to grow Pinterest account. Okay, and that's it. If you stay consistent, if you really stay consistent, and if you keep learning, keep doing more research, create content about those services, start promoting those services on Pinterest. If you can do it, if you can stay consistent, you can make a lot of commission with this business model. It's really, guys, it's easy, but you need to stay consistent. It's all about consistency, all about doing more research, find good services that will help those people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account. You can make a lot of money. Of course, go and check my YouTube channel, because I share with you guys, of course, how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube, YouTube Short, TikTok, and Instagram, Pinterest, and Quora, Twitter, and so much more for free using free traffic. And that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you guys in my next videos.